This is a 2010 Volkswagen CC. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a turbocharger, a locking differential, a sport suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: dual power seats, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. This Volkswagen has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.